This is the most feature-filled manual machine I've seen. It's got DRO, variable speed, constant surface speed. The parts you're making on this machine will look like they were made by a CNC. Now, Keith, there's a lot of tech on this machine, but it's still a conventional. Why do people need conventionals nowadays?
Everybody needs a conventional machine. You very rarely do you go into a shop where there isn't one of these. A Colchester Triumph's been around for many, many years. You know, it's our bread and butter machine.
Yeah, and when you see these, you might see one in the middle of a shop floor that's 30, 40 years old, but the design has not changed. Why is that?
Why change it if it's not broke? It's a proven design. It gets tweaked every now and again, but things like bed design is identical to what it was that long ago.
Okay, so I guess if someone's been using one for 30 years ago and then buys a brand new one today, they know exactly how to use it, which is really useful. But, okay, someone's got a machine tool shop, they've got loads of work in progress, they've got loads of Op-20s to get through their first lathe. They need to get through that backlog, and they need this machine now. How do they know they can get cutting on day one?
Well, first of all, they're in stock. We can get them to them really quickly. It comes with a 3-jaw chuck, with a tool holder package, the DRO, pump, light, everything. All they got to do is plug it in, put some coolant in it, and they're off and running.
Okay, so you don't have to sit there ticking, oh, I need this, I need that,
No.
I'm going to have to worry about the logistics of ordering all the other bits.
No, comes ready to go on day one.
Okay, fair enough. But what if, so this is it's a nice big size machine, you've got quite a large capacity, but what if they can't quite fit this in the remaining space in the machine shop?
Yeah, it's 54mm bore, 1250 between centres. We do a slightly smaller version, which is 42mm bore, 650 between centres, which is the Colchester Master.
Okay.
Again, available from stock.
Okay, so they've got no excuse for machine shop space because you can fit even a smaller machine.
Yeah, it's quite a small machine. The Master's just slightly bigger than our Colchester Student.
Okay, so let's say we all know Colchesters are good machines, the design is really robust, but let's say someone has a little smash, but they've still got loads of work to get through. How do they know they can get back up and running as soon as possible?
Well, we've got full backup up at here at Elland. We've got service and spares, which are manned during office hours. We carry £4.5 million worth of spares across the range. So very common spares are available next day delivery.
Okay. Being such a staple of a machine tool, it's quite easy to forget that actually you guys have an office here. What if I've got a quick little problem, I need to call you guys up? Are you available?
Yeah, as I say, during working hours, we've got the hot desk, we've got applications engineers, we've got our own design engineers. These are still our designs, which are proven designs. So, but we just tweak them every now and again. So we still use mechanical and electrical design engineers to enhance the machines.
So let's say I'm doing loads of Op-10s on a CNC machine. How do I know that when I do the Op-20 face off a big diameter on this machine, the surface finishes are going to match up?
Rigid spindle, very accurate bedways, DRO that's got constant surface speed in. Perfect.
So how quickly can I get hold of one of these machines?
These are in stock at the moment. 4 to 6 weeks, maybe quicker if you twist our arm.